Hi, Ian from Tentworld in Toowoomba here to talk to you about the OZtrail Monsta Chair. Well, obviously the first thing to talk about is size. 170 centimeters tall, the frame is 22mm high tensile steel, so it is quite light. It is about 3 kilos. The fabric itself is a 600 denier polyester fabric, so it's quite sturdy, fights up against the wind. Obviously being a moon chair design, it's like you will not have to worry about the wind blasting you from behind, especially at concerts or anywhere else that you want to take this thing. It has a 150 kilo weight limit and comes with a carry bag. So next time you guys are in Tentworld in one of the stores or even shopping online, it's like definitely pick up one of these goodies.